Take a nice, slow, deep breath. Breathe in and out. Picture yourself near a still, beautiful mountain lake at dawn. A place of pristine and pure silence, where you can feel that great quiet mystery of the world. Breathe in the silence. Breathe that into every part of your being. Allow the stillness to massage every aspect of your body. You're beginning to feel completely relaxed. In front of you is a radiant sunrise. The sun is emanating rays of light and peace. Give yourself permission and fill yourself with this light. Let the rays of peace and serenity enter into you. Breathe them in completely. Fill yourself with this vibration of pure, peaceful energy. With each breath, you savor and take in even more light and peace. You hear the wind and the trees and the birds. Feel the wind on your skin. You sense that the earth removes your tension as it pours from your body into the ground. Empty all your stress in the muscles into the earth. Let the earth take everything you don't need in your body away. Take another deep breath and imagine that a silent, powerful energy that lives at the core of the earth is coming up in the form of golden threads and is connecting to your energetic field, to your body. Through these golden roots, you become infused with that still, quiet energy of the earth. Allow this energy to come up and through you. It is relaxing you, and the tension you have in your body is dissipating. Just release that stress and anxiety and anything you don't need. Just let it go. You are releasing it completely. Feel yourself more and more relaxed as you connect to the earth and your breath. In this state, you sense your light, your pure consciousness. You become aware of your light and your true identity as a spiritual being. You're in this body, in this world of form and matter. You are light, you're distinct from it. Pure light suspended within it. In this awareness of yourself as a soul, the spiritual being. You're beginning to feel totally free. Free from the future, free from the past. Free from guilt or regrets. You're just absorbed in being, immersed in the experience of being. While you're breathing in and out and observing the beauty of your surroundings, you begin to feel more and more relaxed, more and more centered in a space of total tranquility. This is bringing you a sense of vitality, calmness, and well-being. In this pure space of silence, in this solitude, you feel restored and refreshed. Om Shanti, I am peace.